Hey everybody, today we're going to take a look at building a Neutrik NE8MX-B-1 Ethercon connector. So the interesting thing about this connector is it's not a connector at all, it's just a carrier. This is a metal piece, this is its back strain relief and securing part, and this is its boot. So what you need is a pre-made RJ45 patch cable, and you're also going to need a Ethercon chassis of some kind. This makes building this a whole lot easier. If you don't build it within a chassis, it can be very crooked and it won't work. So I'm using this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your metal portion here and spin it so that the bottom knockout in this matches the little keeper tab in your RJ45. So we're just going to put that in there like this. Okay. And once that's in there, you want to insert it into the connector. Make sure you push your RJ or your Ethernet cable just to make sure that it's in there. And then you want to put your strain relief on. And then so for your strain relief, you want to make sure that it's facing up and down. If you put it going into the sides, it's not going to go into the chassis deep enough. And you want to put your boot on. That. Okay, and now you check it. So the tricky thing with these is sometimes they build okay, but they won't go back into the connector. And this is okay. So here's the other thing. If you build this and it doesn't work and you want to take it apart, here's how you take it apart, because it can be a little tricky to come out of there. If you get a set of tweezers or needle nose pliers, if you just squeeze this and use your thumb to push it out, that's how it comes apart. If anybody has any questions about this, it's a little tricky, just feel free to drop a comment below. If not, hope everybody has a great day.